Myth: one treatment can help many diseases. Fact: many diseases share the same root problems, like inflammation, low oxygen, and cell damage. Stem cells help by reducing inflammation, supporting immune balance, repairing damaged tissues, improving blood flow. That's why they're being studied for conditions like arthritis, heart disease, stroke, and autoimmune disorders. Myth: the body's defense system might not accept stem cells. Fact: stem cells used in bone marrow transplants can be rejected due to immune reactions caused by high HLA levels. Mesenchymal stem cells, MSCs, have low HLA expression, making rejection unlikely and donor matching unnecessary. They can evade and calm the immune system, helping treat inflammatory and autoimmune diseases, with umbilical cord stem cells being especially effective. Myth: stem cells cause cancer. Fact: this fear comes from old studies on embryonic stem cells and unregulated labs. Modern, GMP-approved MSCs are rigorously tested for safety, genetic stability, and purity, and do not cause cancer when used correctly. Myth: stem cells only come from embryos. Fact: most therapies use adult stem cells taken from bone marrow, fat tissue, umbilical cord after birth without harm. No abortions are involved in standard regenerative treatments. Myth: stem cell therapy is risky and painful. Fact: modern treatments are minimally invasive, often done with simple injections. Common side effects are mild, like temporary soreness or fatigue. Myth: results are instant and guaranteed. Fact: stem cell therapy is not a magic cure. Healing is gradual. Most patients notice changes after 4 to 12 weeks, with continued improvement over months. Results vary based on age, condition severity, lifestyle, and cell quality. Myth: all stem cell clinics are the same. Fact: they're not. Results depend on cell quality and dosage, lab standards, GMP certified, doctor experience. Choosing a licensed, transparent clinic is essential. Stem cell therapy has advanced greatly and proven effective in treating conditions like heart disease and spinal cord injuries. However, misconceptions and safety concerns cause many people to distrust or avoid it. Ongoing scientific research and government oversight continue to confirm its safety and potential to transform medicine and improve lives.